we respectfully acknowledge that we live, work, and exist with nature in the unceded territories of Sinixt, Syilx, Okanagan, Kootenay, and Secwepemc nations. The Slocan Lake Stewardship is proud to present a visual snapshot of the results in the Bonanza and Slocan Valley focal areas. We express our gratitude to Kootenay Connect for recognizing the value of connectivity in the Slocan watershed and all First Nations in their ongoing contribution and support for conservation initiatives and protection of water, lands, forests, and biodiversity. Both the Bonanza and the Slocan Valley wildlife corridors provide connectivity between the Selkirk and Valhalla mountain ranges. Large variability of terrain, climate, and topography from north to south result in a diverse range of species and habitats. From the onset and through the project years, focus remained on fieldwork in identified biodiversity hotspots and rare species who rely upon riparian wetland and aquatic habitats. Knowledge continued to grow as projects progressed, and so did the opportunities to share and collaborate with First Nations communities, regulatory authorities, environmental groups, and local communities. The Slocan River anchors the valley bottom with prime fish habitat. Over 4,000 taxa have been identified, including numerous first records for BC, Canada, and North America. Tyson Ehlers, one of the project biologists, discovered a slime mold that is endemic to the Slocan watershed, Spriomyxa slocanensis, resulting in the publication of a new genus. In the beginning, 55 species at risk were identified, covering all species groups. As work continued through the years, that number has risen to 145 identified SARs. Three different wetland sites in the Bonanza corridor were restored for a total of 17.3 hectares. Each wetland site required specific restoration plans based on species, habitat, and hydrologic assessments. A nature-based approach was adopted for all restorations. Current and historic activity was studied and factored into restoration plans at summit and Upper Bonanza sites. A series of swales were used to permit fish and western toad passage and enhance water flows. At the Upper Bonanza site, fish surveys identified the placement of natural structures needed to enhance aquatic habitat for fish spawning. Over 1,500 trees and shrubs were planted at the Hunter Siding Marsh. Water channeling for enhanced water flow on a rich soil-based produced high survivability of all plantings. Nesting structures and large woody debris were strategically placed to replicate natural habitat. In the Slocan River Valley, Larson Ranch supports prime fish habitat. Logs were installed in the riverbank to enhance fish spawning and reduce riverbank erosion. A total of 793 trees and shrubs were planted, along with 300 live stakes installed in riparian areas and around 2 construction fish rearing ponds. Prairie plantings are extensive, with over 2,800 native trees and shrubs planted to restore riverbank sites to a healthier and diverse cottonwood ecosystem. Re-establishing these riparian communities improves riverbank stability and over time reduces erosion and sedimentation flow. A total of 16 bird nesting boxes were installed, including ones designed for species at risk. For the western painted turtle, 5 basking logs were installed. The Oxbow Island site is dominated by mature cottonwoods, but has little natural tree regeneration. We have gained a deeper understanding of Slocan's waters, lands, forests, and biodiversity, building a solid foundation for future collaboration and prioritization of conservation opportunities.